Hey, I'm Ed. Today I'm going to show you how to test the evaporator fan motor on a Frigidaire refrigerator that's not cooling in the refrigerator section. Before we get started, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so you can get notified when we post new videos. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Before we get started, let's get our tools together. Today we'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a multimeter. While you're grabbing those, please remember to keep safety first. Always remember to disconnect your refrigerator by unplugging it or switching off the breaker. You'll want to open the freezer door and listen for the fan motor. If it's not running, then we need to figure out why. To access the fan motor, open the freezer door and remove the shelving. Then remove the 4 shelving brackets. In this video section, we have the appliance plugged in. This is so the light can be on so we can see just a little bit better. However, for your appliance, it should be turned off or unplugged. Then remove the 4 1/4-inch screws that hold the rear panel in place. Once you remove the rear panel, you can find the evaporator fan motor above the evaporator in the center of the freezer. We need to test the evaporator fan motor for AC voltage. So we need the fridge plugged in and turned on. Just remember to be very careful when testing for voltage so you can protect yourself from electrical shock. Set your multimeter to volts AC and find the blue and red wire on the evaporator fan motor. Place one lead on the terminal of the blue wire and the other on the terminal of the red wire. There should be 120 volts AC going to the evaporator fan motor. If you get 120 volts AC but the fan isn't running, then the fan is faulty and needs to be replaced. As you can see here, we do have 120 volts AC at the fan motor, but our fan isn't running, so it needs to be replaced. If there's not 120 volts to the fan motor, and the control board is sending power, then that means there's some type of wiring problem. Next, put the rear panel back in place and secure it with the 4 1/4-inch screws. After the back panel has been put on, don't forget to install your shelf holders. Each shelf holder has 2 1/4-inch screws connected to it. Once that is done, install the shelf bases and the freezer tubs, and just like that, you're done. Don't forget to plug the refrigerator back in. If your evaporator fan motor tested good, you can check out our other troubleshooting guides to find out why your Frigidaire refrigerator isn't cooling. We've got thousands of videos to help you with diagnosing and making repairs. If your evaporator fan motor tested bad, you can order a replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can fix it yourself. We want to hear from you. Drop a comment below to let us know how the testing and repair process went. And if you haven't already, hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.